I'm rolling.
And
Speed. Count 2 seconds before you walk in. After action. And action.
hello family, here we go again. It's 3 p.m. on Tuesday, 27 April 2021. My MUA, professional MUA.
Now Tuesday. So if she turns like this, she still looks natural.
See how they are turning my head though.
Reacting to the incident on social media was Nigerian celebrity Bankole.
So let's take that again.
Welcome to NC Trends. I am Seun Bankole. Welcome to NC Trends. I am Seun Bankole. It's another episode of NC Trends. Welcome. I am Seun Bankole. Welcome to NC Trends. I am Seun Bankole. It's a brand new episode of NC Trends. Welcome. I am Seun Bankole. Hello and welcome to NC Trends. I am Seun Bankole. Hello and welcome to NC Trends. I am Seun Bankole. You already know how we do it here. I bring you the latest social media trends from across the African continent, as well as some of the reactions to them. There you have it, guys. Thank you for joining us on this segment. Now, to keep the conversation going, tweet at New Central TV with the hashtag NC Trends and share your thoughts.